Jerry Sandusky was in court again today, this time fighting for a new trial. His attorneys say they did not have enough time to prepare his defense. Newswatch 16's Jim Hamill was in Center County Court today. He has more on Sandusky's appeal.
Jerry Sandusky was back to court in Center County 3 months after he was sentenced to what likely amounts to a life sentence. This time, he was asking for a new trial. Sandusky's wife Dottie was there as well. Attorneys for the former Penn State football coach claim they were rushed to trial last year, which unfairly led to a conviction on 45 counts related to child sex abuse.
We're in the race. I wouldn't count us out.
Sandusky's attorneys pointed out that in the 5 months before trial, prosecutors turned over nearly 10,000 pages of material, part of a process called discovery. The trial was postponed once, about a month, and defense attorney Joe Amendola testified he didn't feel he and his team had enough time to go through it all.
You have to give a lawyer time to work with it and time to digest it. And you can't force a lawyer to trial when he's flying blind, and we made that argument.
The hearing lasted only about an hour and a half, and Jerry Sandusky's new attorney during this appeal process argued that there was not enough time for Joe Amendola to mount a good defense for Jerry Sandusky. But when he was on the witness stand, prosecutors asked him if he was able to go through all that material that he got throughout the entire pretrial process and whether all of it was relevant, and he said much of it was not relevant.
One file box of information. I mean, anybody can go through a box of information adequately and prepare for trial. And as you saw, Mr. Amendola did that and did a very good, effective job at trial.
Prosecutors say they're confident Sandusky's conviction will stand, and so should people in Pennsylvania. Judge John Cleland, who presided over Sandusky's trial, is expected to rule within the next few weeks whether Sandusky can have another trial. If it's denied, attorneys plan to appeal to a higher court. Jim Hamill, Newswatch 16, Center County.